And please, like this video, write a comment, and if you haven't already, remember to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe and smash the bell to be notified every time we upload fresh and new videos now. Hi, my name is Poet Woods, and thank you so much for watching our video. Let me ask you a question. Did you know that .com actually stands for commerce, which by very definition means the activity of buying and selling, especially on a large scale? What .com does not mean is community, communications, or any other word that starts with com. So because of that, I got sick and tired of the so-called gurus who claim to be the one to listen to, but they were as green as I was. After doing my due diligence, I finally found the real internet marketing entrepreneurs. You know, the ones who are masters at the activity of buying and selling online, especially on a large scale. If I told you that you could look inside the mind of a true internet marketing expert who has generated over $200 million in sales marketing his own products and services online, that would be the cat to copy, wouldn't it? Yeah, I thought so too. And finally, after years of studying his strategies and style, I was finally able to catch up with him for an hour-and-a-half interview about how to utilize internet marketing to monetize your entrepreneurial ideas fast without years of trial and error. Here are just a few things he revealed. The number one mistake entrepreneurs make in the area of monetizing entrepreneurial ideas and how to avoid it. The mistake that most often causes entrepreneurs to fail completely with monetizing entrepreneurial ideas and how to fix it. He also said the biggest mistake he ever made as an entrepreneur when it came to monetizing your entrepreneurial ideas and how to fix it or recover from it if you ever make it, and much, much more. So don't miss this breakthrough new book that shows you exactly how you too can utilize internet marketing to monetize your entrepreneurial ideas fast without years of trial and error. Claim your copy of this exciting and informative monetizing entrepreneurial ideas book by internet marketing legend, strategist, speaker, and author Armin Morand and I. Simply click the link in the description box below and get immediate access to your copy of this breakthrough new book that will show you how to utilize internet marketing to monetize your entrepreneurial ideas fast without years of trial and error by myself and marketer, strategist, speaker, and author, the OG Armin Morand. So don't wait, do it now. Click the link in the description box below for instant access to your copy now. I'm Poet Woods. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the other side. And please, like this video, write a comment, and if you haven't already, remember to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe and smash the bell to be notified every time we upload fresh and new videos now.